Good day everyone, nandito po tayo ngayon para matuto ng Python programming. Ito po yung example ko na user interface kung saan mag-i-input tayo ng whole number sa ating entry widgets. This is yung input natin, ranges from 1 to 10. Once we entered between the number, it will display the numerical value from 1 to 5. Okay, so our Tkinter widgets composes our main window, our entry widget, our label, and also our button. So ngayon, magbigay tayo ng halimbawa. So if the value here below 0 and we enter, it will display an error which message box displays please enter invalid input. If it's above the value, di-display pa rin ng invalid input. And if it's a special character, again, also invalid input. Dapat nasa range lang tayo ng 1 to 10. So, kapag nag-range naman tayo ng between 1 to 10, eto na yung output niya. So, i-display niya yung incremental value ng 1 to 5. Ayan. So, okay. So, yun lang yung output natin. So, paano natin to ginawa? Ito yung example code niya. Okay. So, tingnan natin. Ayan. So, dito, nag-input tayo ng Tkinter natin as assign natin as TK. Ito naman, in-import natin from Tkinter our message box. So, before natin to ginawa, yung function natin, dito, ito muna yung sinet na muna natin yung main window natin. So, main window is equal to tk.tk. Now, we put a title on our window, display whole number. And next is we insert our label underscore input, yung tk label widget natin, tk.label assigned to our main window, and the value of our label. Enter a whole number from 1 to 10, and ito yung location niya from our main window, from row 0, column 0, and its spacing. And ngayon naman, yung entry widget natin. So, I assign it to a variable name of entry1 underscore input, tk.entry in our main window. Ayan, dyan. And yung location niya, and yung button natin. So, yung button natin, button.enter, so linabel natin, yung caption niya is enter, and tatawagin niya yung, once it's being clicked, pag click niya yung button, tatawagin niya yung function natin na display value. Ito naman yung location niya from our main window, and also spacing. And to run our Tkinter, let's not forget our main window dot main loop. So ngayon, tinawag na si display value, yung function natin, eto na yan. Okay? So yung display value natin, yung mga statements niya or commands, eto. We use an exception handling, try except handling from our try. So once in-execute nyo sa try, ito naman yung mga assigned value natin, inputted value, kinuha natin. yung nasa entry widget natin, ginet natin yung value niya and convert it into integer. And for the condition, ito yung condition natin. From our condition, no, dapat nasa range in between 10 and 1. So we use a logical AND operator para kasi yung truth value, pag true and true, execute niya. Okay, so we assign x is equal to 1 and our result is equal to empty. So x is equal to 1, purpose niya is for our looping. So while it increments, nasa between to 1 to 10. So what is true, kanina natin input natin yung value is 5. So yung range ng input value natin hanggang 5 lang, no? And i-compare niya from our variable x value which is 1 to 5. Okay? So kapag true yan, so result is equal to result convert to string, and our variable x, since it's in integer, convert to string. So whatever the result, since it's empty, plus concatenate the 1 value plus the space concatenate. So 1 is equal to 1 space yung first looping niya. It will increment again to 2. So dadagdag si 2, which is may space na 2, 1 space 2 is equal to 2. So on and so forth. And once done si looping, i-display niya na yung value ng result natin. Okay? Using the message box that show info. So once it's out of range naman, above 10 and below 1, then there will be a message error that will display, please enter invalid input. Okay? So kapag hindi naman tama yung value na nilagay niya, then again, since we're using except, so the error was display, an error will display using message box. Same, please enter a valid input. So that's all for today, guys. So thank you for listening and see you on my next video. Bye.